One person died and another is in critical condition after suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning in their converted bus at Texas Motor Speedway. Tarrant County Medical Examiner's Office identified the man who died as 49-year-old Cameron Hickman of Flower Mound. The bus was parked on the infield Sunday during NASCAR's Texas 500. Bystanders reported they were sick inside. A Fort Worth Fire Department spokesman says the bus had a gasoline-powered generator inside that was not properly ventilated. Matt Uris for CBS 11 News.